We are going to do some observational drawing today. This is a little bit different than some types of drawing. Observe means to look at. So when you're doing an observational drawing, you're looking at something and you're drawing exactly what you see. You're not using your imagination. You're not thinking about your cool ideas and putting them down on paper. Instead, you're using your eyes to look at something very, very closely, see all the things you can notice about it, and then record those things on paper by drawing. You're going to need a pencil and some crayons from your bin. You're also going to need some plain paper. And then you're going to need something to draw. Today, I'm going to draw a flower. It's a really tiny little flower. So I'm going to have to look really closely at it to observe its color, the lines, the shapes, to observe everything I can see about it. You're going to need to go and pick a flower, a real flower, but make sure it's a flower you have permission to pick. So ask your family to help you pick a flower. And you just need one flower. You don't have to pick a lot of flowers. Just get one flower. And then you're going to look closely at it. And you're not going to draw a flower from your imagination. You're not going to draw a flower, even if you already think you know how to draw a flower. You're going to draw the flower that you see. I am only going to draw this flower. So even though I like red flowers, am I going to draw my flower red? No, because look at my flower. My flower is orange and yellow. So those are the colors I'm going to use. You are going to get a flower and you're going to color it exactly the colors that you see. So now I'm going to draw my flower. I have my materials and here's my flower. I'm going to observe it. And I notice that it has some bumps along the outside and some of them are little and some of them are big. As I draw, I'm really going to look at that. So I take a look. Oh, there's a big bump. And I look at my flower and then I draw. I look and draw. I'm looking a lot. See how I keep looking at it? I'm looking. And if my drawing doesn't turn out totally perfectly, that's okay. The important thing is that I do a lot of looking and I try to draw what I see. I see something in the middle, so I'm going to draw it right there. And I also see a stem coming out of the back with some leaves on it. And the leaves, I can look closely. Oh, the leaves are kind of round. Okay. Now I'm ready to add some color to it. So I notice the colors. Even though I really like the color black, I don't see any black on this flower, so I'm not going to put black on there. I'm going to put the colors that I see. So I see orange and yellow. And I see green on the leaves. And I see brown on the stem. So those are the colors that I'm going to get out because those are the colors that I'm going to use. So first I'll do my flower. I see yellow on the inside part. There's another yellow. Yeah, I'm going to use as many colors as I can to really make my flower look like this. I want to make my drawing look like this. I think my flower's done. It kind of looks like this.